Hello, my dear student. How are you? First of all, I like to congratulate all the class 4 students who have promoted to class 5, and those students who got the good rank. Again, I congratulate them also, and I congratulate all the students who have promoted to class 5. And my dear students, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we cannot open our school, and you are staying at home. Uh, so it is very difficult for us that we should connect. And so SSBM have decided that we will start our online classes, and that's why I am here today, and I'm here with English of class 5. I will start the first lesson, ice cream man. And I'm not going to make very long video, it will be problem to upload, and also that's why uh, I'm not going to teach very fast also, but not very slow also. So that's why don't miss any line and all. Don't miss any uh, explanations. So watch till the end, and at the end I will give you some homework also. You have to do. You must do and submit. So I'm here with the first lessons, ice cream man. That is from the class 5. So I will read the lesson first, and I want that you all should read after me. So I'm going to start. When summer's in the city and bricks a pledge of heat, the ice cream man with his little curd goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fills the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink. From bottles full of frosty fish, green, orange, white, or pink. His skirt might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. So, my dear students, so in this lesson, very interesting poem, uh, you will see it is about an ice cream man who is moving down the street, trundling, which is called here trundling down the street. He is moving down the street in a very hot summer day, in a very hot summer day, uh, with his curd. You will find he keep his ice cream man. He put his he put his ice cream in a curd. He put his ice cream in a curd, uh, inside, no, inside the curd he put his ice cream. From where when we go, then he fill the cones. He fill the cones and he give it to us. So in a very hot summer day, he moved towards the street. He moved towards the street, and when the children they find the ice cream man who is coming in front of them, or who is coming towards them, uh, all the children they gather. They gather to get the ice cream, to have the ice cream, and they found it was very joyful. Beneath his round umbrella, they found that it was very joyful sight. They found that it was very joyful sight. And what joyful they found? To feels to see him fills the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. The creamy part, they used to put that creamy part in ice cream. And it is in which color? Basically it is found in brown and white color, yeah. So and in various flavor also, and in various flavor, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. And it is very chilly things to drink. It was very chilly, very cold. and very good. Children were very like to drink or like to have that, like to eat that ice cream. And the bottles were like from bottles full of frosty fish. The bottles were frosty fish means the sounds are coming, the cooling sound, bubbling sounds are coming from that bottles, which were green, white, orange, in pink color. And the poet, poet is the, what is the name of the poet, the Raquel Field. He compared, he compared this ice cream and curd. He compared this ice cream and curd, um, to a flower bed. To a flower bed. Flower bed means a garden where various types of flowers are there, and that is called the flower bed. And he compared uh, this ice cream and curd to a flower bed. Just like a, the ice cream curd, the ice cream and curd is just like a flower bed. And in the flower bed there used to be various kinds of, various types of flowers are there, like rose, sweet peas. And by uh, finding the ice cream man with his curd, with his round umbrella, uh, down the street, uh, the children, they were gathering, they were running towards the running towards the ice cream man. uh, how they are running? As thick as honeybees, as thick as honeybees, like honeybees. How they move, no, they move together, make a buzz sound. And children's also, they were moving together like honeybees. So all this about this poem, written by Raquel Field. And it is very easy to answer. Also some questions are there, and I want that you should read again and again at home. This is your homework also. And if possible, then what you do, you can read the poem, and that audio, you can send in the group. And read these new words, like blaze, which means bright flame of fire, trundling, moving on small broad wheels, or mounds, which is also called heap, or can say pile also. Frosty fish, chill drink, making a hissing sound, which I already said you. Cluster, which means gather around uh, similar things. When they gather, then it is called a cluster. Then again, some six questions are there, you can easily solve these questions also. In which season is ice cream popular? Very easy. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? You can do it very easily. Name the different flavors of ice creams the ice cream man has in his cart. You can do it. What are the things, what are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? This also you can do it. What is the ice cream man curd, ice cream curd, compared to in the poem? I already told you, the poet, he compared his curd to something, that you can write. And mm, you write these questions in you copy, and write down the answer with your pencil. Don't write with the pen. I know students of class 5 are very interesting, very excited to write with the pen. But you can write the questions with the pen, but not the answer, because it may be wrong. So you cannot erase it if you have written with the pen, right? So write with a good handwriting, and write with a pencil. Only the answer you can write with the pencil, and click the photo and send it in the group, so that I will check it. And again, after checking, I will send you what is if it is right, then I will give you the correct, and I will give you the marks also. And if it is wrong, then I will tell you where you have uh, done the mistakes, and you can correct it later on. So for today, this much only. And again, I again want to say that don't go anywhere. It is not uh, a good decision to go out from your house. So it is very risks in these situations. Don't go, stay at home, and, just try to, how can you, uh, what you can do at home by staying at home, what you can do, you can read the books. So you tell your parents, if you have not brought the textbook, then ask your parents that they should visit the school and get the textbook for you, so that you can do the homework and all. So who are watching this, if your friends of class 5, they uh, didn't know about this video, about these online classes, then inform them, and tell them that they should give their WhatsApp number to me in this group, so that I can add them also. So for today, this much only. Thank you very much.